There can be no better occasion to appreciate health workers for the sacrifices they have made in the public health crisis caused by the coronavirus. Organizers of the food pantry celebrated Workers' Day with them at the isolation center in Gwagwalada, Abuja. Habida Lawal reports.
Recent reports revealed that 113 health workers in Nigeria have tested positive to coronavirus. Minister of Health Osage Hehanire said the infected health workers are mostly from private hospitals and represent about 6% of the over 1,000 infected persons. This figure shows the risk health workers have been exposed to in the front line of the fight against coronavirus. Organizers of the food pantry chose to celebrate Workers' Day with health workers at the Gwagwalada Isolation Center as a way of expressing their appreciation. As the health workers came out of the isolation center, they were welcomed with a resounding applause. The food pantry team believe the health workers and other first respondents need to be recognized for their show of courage.
There are colleagues of yours who are in Lagos, colleagues of yours who are in Kano. Some of them have been infected, some of them have lost their lives all across the world. This is just to say, I don't know how to say thank you enough, but I just hope that you would understand how deeply appreciative we are.
Clearly emotional for me, seeing people who have dedicated their lives to this cause, people who have been here day and night, people who live here who haven't seen their families for so long, just to ensure that we're able to beat this pandemic as a country.
Dr. Vivian Kwage is the head of the infectious disease unit of the University of Abuja Teaching Hospital. She says Nigerians should help healthcare workers by staying at home and staying safe in order to reduce exposure to the virus.
Almost 8 weeks now. This is where we live. This is our accommodation, and that is the isolation ward. That's where the patients are. We've not seen our families. We've not gone home. We just move from here to the ward. We finish, we go back, and then we sleep.
Over the years, 1st of May has always been symbolic, a day dedicated to workers for their impact in socio-economic development. But this year was different. Throughout the global public health crisis, health workers have been bearing the brunt in their effort to save lives of victims, oftentimes at high risk of contracting the virus themselves. Habida Lawal, TVC News, Abuja.